Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna make a stir-fried celery and bacon with miso. So last week I introduced how to cook chicken thigh with celery leaves. So this week I will cook with the remaining celery stalks. So you only need 2 ingredients and some seasonings. It's very simple and easy to make. So okay, let's get started. So okay, these are the ingredients for today. So you will find the ingredients in the description box. Please check it out there as well. So okay, first I use 4 stalks of leftover celery. So if you buy celery from a supermarket, 1 or 2 should be enough. So first wash them and lightly peel the celery strings using a peeler. So and then cut into about 1 cm thick slices. And then also I had a few celery leaves left, so I cut them into pieces and added them too. So okay, and then next let's make a sauce. So first please add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And then next please add 1 teaspoon of cooking sake. And then please add 1 teaspoon of mirin as well. And then also please add 1 tablespoon of white miso. So, and then please combine the sauce ingredients well until smooth. So, okay, next please cut the bacon into bit-sized pieces. But if you don't want to use the meat, you can use mushroom instead. Its taste also good. So okay, and then now let's stir fry them up. So set the heat to medium, just let it heat up. So and then please add 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. This will give it the savory taste. And then once it's nice and hot, just engulf the celery stalks. So just gonna cook this for 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes wilted. And then after celery has wilted, add the celery leaves and just a minute. And then bacon just goes in. So and then add the sauce once the bacon has been cooked lightly, and then stir fry until all the water evaporates. So okay, stir fry is done nicely, and then time to plate. So and then I just gonna finish with a white sesame seed. Have a look, quick, simple, but looks so beautiful green and pink color combination. So okay, time to eat. Okay, time to eat. So let's begin. いただきます。So it's all cooked to perfection, just the right amount of miso, but you can still feel that celery in the main hero here. And then also, I think this would be delicious with beer. So I hope you will try this. And thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thank you for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye!